how to join Midjourney Discord server. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can join the official Discord server for Midjourney. So simply come on to midjourney.com, and then now from over here simply click on join the beta. So once you click on that, it's gonna basically give you the option to open up your Discord, and then you guys are gonna be in their official Discord server. So in their official Discord server, on the left side you guys can see all the different channels that they have. They have an option over here from which you guys can see the different use case scenarios. You can also check out status of their project. You can also go into their newcomer rooms as well, and then over here you can also see that they have so many people over here. So all in all, the options are definitely there, and you can definitely get started with Midjourney's Discord server using this particular way. So guys, I hope this video helped you guys out. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anybody who might want to watch it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.